Making division fun. Understanding division as repeated subtraction. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're going to explore an essential part of learning English, and that is numbers and counting. More specifically, we'll focus on understanding a fundamental mathematical operation: division. What's exciting is that we will uncover division as repeated subtraction. This approach will simplify the concept and make it much more understandable, especially if you're just starting your journey with English and maths. Before we dive into understanding division as repeated subtraction, let's remind ourselves about what division is. Division is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic, the others being addition, subtraction, and multiplication. When we divide, we distribute a set amount equally among a certain number. For example, if we have 10 apples and want to share them equally among 5 friends, how many does each friend get? The answer, 2 apples, is what we get when we divide 10 by 5. Now that we have a basic idea about division, let's talk about subtraction. Subtraction is taking away something from a larger group or number. For instance, if you have 5 candies and you eat 2, how many are left? You're left with 3 candies. Here, you've subtracted 2 from 5. At this point, you may be wondering, how can division be like subtraction? The key is to understand that division is like repeated subtraction. Here's how. Imagine you have 10 cookies. You and your friends decide to eat 2 cookies at a time until all the cookies are gone. You eat 2 cookies, then another 2, and so on, until no cookies are left. Each time you eat, you're subtracting 2 from the total. How many times did you subtract 2 from 10? The answer is 5 times, which is precisely the result if you were to divide 10 by 2. And there you have it, folks. We've unraveled the concept of division as repeated subtraction. Understanding this approach to division can make learning it much easier, especially if you're just beginning your journey with English and mathematics. As we've seen, division is simply subtracting the same number over and over again until there's nothing left. Thank you for joining us in today's video. We hope this discussion has been helpful and has given you a fresh perspective on division. Keep practicing, keep learning, and, most importantly, have fun with numbers. Remember, mathematics is a language too, and as with English, practice makes perfect. So don't forget to practice what you've learned today. See you in our next video.